Okay, today we will discuss one of the questions again that will possibly come out during the licensure examination for agriculturists. So the question is, this type of leg is commonly found in cockroaches, where it has a fine and very long leg structure. Okay, so insects have different types of legs, and these legs corresponds to a different function. Okay, so we have these choices: cursorial, natatorial, raptorial, or defossorial. So on the right side, we have different examples of types of legs of insect. So let's discuss this one by one. So we will start with this one. Okay. So this type of leg is present to those insect that uh, digs. Okay. Usually this type of leg is present on the forelegs, or it is located on the forelegs because it is a frontal first pair of frontal legs. Okay, so it is very important in digging holes or boring. Okay, example is the mole cricket. Then we have this type of leg. This one, this type of leg is present on insect that usually clings. Okay, or kailangan nila kumapit. This type of leg is present on lice, okay, or mga kuto ng tao. Okay. Ginagamit nila ang ganitong type ng legs para uh, kumapit doon sa buhok. Okay. This is specifically this part. Next, we have this type of legs. So you can see the femur is very is enlarged, okay, or this region is enlarged, and we have this slender tibia. Okay, slender but long tibia. Okay, and we have the tarsus, the tarsal claw. So this type of leg is present on those insects that usually are jumper, or let's say mga malalakas tumalon. Okay, example is the grasshoppers, the katydids, okay, mga longhorn grasshopper. So important to sa kanila na malaki ang femur because pag malaki ang femur, yung energy kumbaga nila is malaki din kasi or strong yung energy, which enables them to jump high or longer compared to other insects. Okay, next we have this type of leg. This leg, as you can see, on the distal part is present yung mga hairs. So this is very important on the insect that usually living in water because they use these hairs, small hairs, to swim or paddle. Okay? Uh, since hindi naman sila masyadong uh, dependent on flight, or let's say on jumping, so this is very important for them para lumangoy. Okay. Next, this type of leg is present in uh, mantis. Okay, so as you can see, uh, medyo modified yung leg niya and may present ng maliliit na spines. Okay, because mantis are predatory. Okay, so uh, this will help them in grasping or hunting, okay, hunting their prey. Usually, these legs is strong, okay, and used to hold uh, food or prey. Okay, and this is only present on the forelegs, or the first pair of legs of the mantis. Okay. Next, we have these legs. This leg is observed or can be observed on foraging insects, specifically bees or honeybees. Okay? So they have this specialized part in which tinatawag silang pollen sac, or let's say pollen collector leg sometimes. Uh, Dito nila sinestore, or let's say dumidikit yung mga pollens. So this can be observed on these. Next, this last example is or illustration. This type of legs is slender and usually makikita itong type na legs na to sa insect na mabibilis tumakbo or mag-escape. Okay? So, yun. Kung babalikan natin yung mga choices, we have cursorial, natatorial, raptorial, and fossorial. So, mahirap identify kasi hindi naman siya specific or hindi siya general term ng dynamics choices. So, let's discuss first what is fossorial. So, fossorial is a type of legs that used for digging. Okay? So, based sa example natin kanina, digging is this one. Let's change the color. Digging is this one. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, wala na si fossorial. Okay? So fossorial is not the answer. Next, we have raptorial. Raptorial is a type of legs that usually used to grasp or hold the prey. Okay? So, best example nito is yung legs ni mantis. So, wala na si mantis sa choices or wala na si raptorial. Next, we have natatorial or natatorial are types of legs that uh, helps the insect or a type of legs that used in swimming or diving. Okay? So, natatorial is this one. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, hindi naman malang isakto, so natatorial is not the answer. So the answer is cursorial. So cursorial is a type of legs that are used for running, okay, or escaping or walking. Okay? So this is an example of cursorial. So this leg is present on cockroaches. Okay? Also, we have these terms cansorial. It is type of leg that are used in clinging. So ito. Okay? So that's it.